Hello, my friend. In this video, we will be discussing how to receive a compound that you maybe purchased from an outside facility. This is something you had no business creating, essentially. So you would receive these compounds the same way you receive any other drug. The only caveat is before you do that, you need to create the compound. So you must create the compound that you want to receive. And if you want to know how to do this, you can watch a previous video that walks through creating a compound. Once you've created the compound, let's just say we have this oral vancomycin. Of course, you're never going to receive that in situ keep, but just as an example, if you wanted to now receive it, there are two workflows. You can do it right here where you can receive, you can search for that drug or barcode scan it. There you go, oral vancomycin, and you can tell the system how much you're receiving again. It has to be a multiple of the package size. So if this were, 30 ml vials and you got 10, you would enter 300, and then you can enter the order details. And so from here, you'll be able to enter the wholesaler. If it's a compounded drug with C2s, you may have a CSAUS number on it, the PO, the invoice, and the ship date. Okay. The same workflow can be done in the bulk add feature. And so you will be able to barcode scan or search for that particular compound after you've added it and tell the system how much you're receiving. If it's an order, you definitely want to confirm the time that you received it. And here you can enter the order details as well. And what this will do then, let's just say compound example, and we ordered it yesterday. Sure. And we don't have an invoice number, but this was shipped to us yesterday. And so we got it today, and maybe we have a CSAUS number. Let's add that in. And so here you go. So now you have basically an order here for oral vancomycin from, I'm using Adusa distribution here as an example, but if you have a specific 503B compounder, that's who you'll want to add it. That's who you'll want to add here. And when you receive this now, it's going to act as an order. So if you go to your purchase orders, you're going to see a purchase order here for a compound. And that was a compounded drug that you didn't create. So you purchased this from a third party. And now you can add your DEA 222 forms, invoices, and packaging slips associated with this compound. Once it's received, it's available for you to interact with like you would every other NDC in your pharmacy. You can move it, destroy it, sell it to a reverse distributor if you want it, or dispense it to a patient. And that's the workflow for receiving a compound that you buy from a third party. And yeah, I'm glad you're watching this video. I'm glad you continually trust us to help you with your business. And we really appreciate you. Thank you much.